Hey guys, it's me,
Luca crushed.
Nino
crushed my head.
Emerald, my
No.
heart. Tell me if that sounds good. In the comment section below, tell me if that sounds good. But anyway, it's me and from the Emerald My Cart with my sister again doing another video, and also
This time we're gonna do a video
let me
of
show you something.
our dog.
Doesn't this look cool?
Yeah, and we're gonna show you what it does.
Yeah, but guy. Oops, you also know ice is in there, right?
Then the head opens.
Yes, the head opens. And Batman's in there.
Wait, what?
Batman's in there.
Yeah, and then his two legs open.
Yeah. Quite cool, guys.
See?
So, Bella, should we get to the,
Wait, what's the video about? The dog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
We're doing a video of our dog here.
Why we do that again? I don't know,
Because
guys.
Mom and Dad
Okay, guys, let's go.
So our dog,
Oh, come on.
our dog's name is Penny.
They don't know. They don't already know.
Our dog, let's just do it, okay? Our dog,
Also, I'm gonna show you what happens when you put all the fidget spinners together.
yeah,
But
but
Mom and Dad are not here.
Penny, let's get back to Penny.
Penny, what?
Penny is a good girl.
Well,
What is
not
Penny?
all.
She's a mug.
She's a
And we think she's a
Bella.
South Carolina dog.
Okay.
So now we're going. I definitely sorry. Just can't work it that way that you do. But then if we combined all, I have a super ooper idea.
What? We don't have the fourth one.
This is a super ooper idea. This is cool. So, everybody, we're going to do this, but we're going to stack them on top. This is different because
I did that.
Yeah, but look, it looks like a clock in the inside.
Yeah.
So it looks like
Guys, I think you can see.
in the inside.
Look.
Looks like a
It's
clock.
amazing.
Looks like a clock. But then there's another thing. We could just do this. And then we could put this one on top carefully.
Anyway, let's get to our dog.
Yeah, let's get to it. So, she's over here laying on her favorite carpet. Penny. Okay, so this is our dog. She is a cutest dog ever.
Yeah, she's a
Wait, all it shows is me. That's our dog. Penny, look up. Penny.
Don't want to look up. Okay.
Okay, so then we're gonna have to
She's
do.
a
This is her face.
she's a
She's like, what's going on? I'm just gonna leave. Let's follow
South
and
Carolina dog.
let's just. I already told them that. We're gonna follow her. We're gonna see what she's doing. Wait, Penny, come back. Is this okay? So everybody's sorry it's dark. Penny, come here. She's in her bedroom. Luca, don't do that. You're scaring her. Now you just scared her out. We could just take the video of her. Hey, Penny. So this is our dog, Penny. She is not going to move right now. She really has nowhere to go.
Look, it's the Olaf.
Luca, move! I'm trying to get her to go over there.
Hi, I'm Olaf. I'm because you give me a warm hug?
She's gonna eat Olaf.
Oh, yeah.
This is Penny. She's
I gotta go back to Luca's bed.
Luca, you're just okay. So Penny, how is it here? How is it here, Penny? What do you think? How is it? Penny, how is it? I think it's good. That's weird. Okay, now back to us. So, we are still here. We are going to actually we are actually going to take a video of a real dog. That is a real dog. But we are going to do this because
Guys,
she is our
you have to see this.
She's so... No, don't just show them the outside. No.
Look, there's so many goose out there.
Let's see if it's showing the goose. Here, let me do it. It's outside the
There's
window.
so much goose out there.
Yeah, because
so many.
we're in South Carolina.
That one, I already know that.
I know that. Okay,
Jeez.
and... Wait. Luca?
Guys.
Okay, so back to the dog.
That was Nino.
Penny. Show your face on the screen, Penny. She's a scaredy cat. She's shy and